Good morning and welcome to all of you. So today video is regarding the selection of transformer. So today I will teach you how to select the transformer for the any buildings. Okay. So this is the G plus 10 buildings. I taken one example. G yani ground, 10 yani number of floors. Okay. So here three types of buildings flats are there: 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Okay. So we consider energy meter for 2 BHK we take 5 kilowatt, for 3 BHK we take 7.5 kilowatt, and for 4 BHK we take 10 kilowatts, and for the villa 3 BHK 10 kilowatts and 4 BHK 15 kilowatts. Okay. So the steps required, for what are the first steps required to while selecting the transformer. So first thing is that to calculate the total connected load. Okay, then we will able to select the transformer. Okay, so total connected load yani common load and flats loads. Common loads yani we take common loads, for example lift. How many lifts are there, how many borewell pumps are there, how many water pumps are there, and if we have the parking, so we take the parkings. Okay, so 4 5 things required for the common loads, and then finally we take separately flats load and we add together, then we will able to get the total connected load. After getting the total connected load, we can select the transformer. Okay, let's see. See here I am taking here in this buildings, we have lift, borewell pump, water pump and lighting also. For the lift we have three lifts. Okay, so and each lift have 10 kilowatts, and to convert from HP to kilowatt you have to multiply by 0.746. So for the lift we got 22.38 kilowatt. Same for the borewell pump we taken two borewell pump, and for the one borewell pump we taken 5 kilowatt, and then again we convert multiply 0.746, so we get 7.46 for the borewell pump. And then water pump we taken 4 water pump for the entire building, and for each water pump the taken 5 kilowatt, and to convert from HP to kilowatt we multiply 0.746. Okay, so total kilowatt 14.92, and for the lighting and parking 20 kilowatt. So total common loads are 64.76 kilowatt. Okay, so now the common load have calculated, and then now we calculate the flats load yani total we have 10 numbers of floors. Okay, so 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK. 2 BHK flats, how many flats we have? 5 flats we have. Okay, for the 2 BHK we select energy meter 5 kilowatt, and for the 3 BHK we select 7.5 kilowatt. For the 4 BHK we taken 10 kilowatts. Okay, so total connected load for the 2 BHK, the 5 kilowatt is a energy meter, 4 is the number of BHK yani 2 BHK we have 4 items. 2 BHK 4 flats, and the number of floor is 10. So total power consumption for the 2 BHK is 200 kilowatt, and for the 3 BHK number of floors is 10, 7.5 is the energy meter, and number of BHK is 3. So for the 3 BHK power consumption, total power consumption is 225 kilowatt, and for the 4 BHK same 300 kilowatt. So the total connected load we calculated the common loads and the flats load. If we add together, then we will able to get the total connected load. So I add all the things like common load and flats load. We get 790 kilowatts. Okay, now we get 790 kilowatt. Before doing the transformer sizing selection, we need to understand the demands factor. The demands factor is different for all the segment, like residential demand factor, very commercial other, industrial other. So the residential, if we are living in India, so residential we consider 60%, commercial we consider 80 to 90%, and for industrial more than 90%. If we are going to Gulf, then we it's different. Residential and commercial we take 90%, and for the industrial 125%. So we consider 70%. Okay, so the peak demand will be 790 kilowatt into 70%, so 553 kilowatts. Now we will select the transformer. To select the transformer, we have to we need to divide by a power factor. Okay, to get the kVA, we got peak demand is 553 kilowatts, right? And then we divide 0.8, then the final kVA is 691.25 kVA. So the standard sizing is 800 kVA. So we select 800 kVA. So this is the things required while a selection of transformer. Okay, so what are the things required? Once I am reminding to you, the first thing you have to calculate the common loads, how many lift are there, borewell pumps are there, water pumps are there, lifting parkings are there, and then you need to calculate each flats load, and then combine all the common load and flats load. Then after that you have to see the which purpose you are using in residential, commercial and industrial, and then you have to getting the peak demand, you have to multiply by peak demand multiply by demand factor. Okay, after that you have to find the kVA, you have to divide by peak demand by power factor, then you will get the standard sizing for the transformer. So this is the things required while doing the transformer. So thanks a lot to everyone.